This needed another video. We are here, try to find the waterfall. Elizabeth's coming running, and there, David, wait, stop. And far away, zoom. Far away, see there? David too, Johnny. He's like, is that really? No, zoom more. It's a beautiful view.
Don't run.
Don't run, yeah, Elizabeth.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Let's go. Running! Really beautiful. Look at that tree. It's awesome. Mãe e pai, tô aqui procurando uma cachoeira. 30 minutos de caminhada. Tá todo mundo cansado. A gente viu altas ondas gigantes em offshore. E é isso aqui. Muito lindo, Brasil. Particularmente várias flores que tem em casa. And is it? I'm talking about the flowers I have here is the same I have at home, so I really feel like home in the jungle. But is it? Thanks so much for the opportunity to stay here. Thank you, thank you. And here we go, and I have a cart. So cheap, but it's okay. Come in, Elizabeth. You forget. Say bye.
Wait.
Say bye.
Wait.
Say bye bye.
Okay.
David, here. Stop.
Down here.
Okay. Good job. Here we go. Now it's down. David. Hi, John.
You push so fast.
Let me take a... Yeah.
That's what they were yelling at you to come back and push them fast. I said, no.
I have water here.
Everybody hold still.
I have water here.
Push so fast.
Okay. Say hello for camera. Okay. Bye.
Where's my hat?
Hello.